Are your norms truly having an impact on your team's success? Teams create norms to guide collaboration, but how often do they stop to reflect on them? The Unpacking Team Norms workshop guide gives your team the opportunity to assess, refine, and reinforce norms to maximize effectiveness. For just $9, you'll get a ready-to-use facilitation guide for a 20 to 30-minute team reflection, a customizable Unpacking Team Norms template, and a step-by-step instructions for assessing and refining your norms. In addition, there are numerous strategies that are shared that will help to reinforce and update norms as needed. Don't let ineffective norms hold your team back. Download the Unpacking Team Norms guide today for just $9 by searching under the Resource tab for the Collaborative Leaders Toolkit at jigsawlearning.ca.